Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to select or how to set the timer in this device. Go to the control center. So here you can see the timer icon. You can see here press and hold the timer icon. Now you can see the timer is enabled. Without help of the clock application from the notification control center, you can easily access the timer. So in this timer you can access from the 1 minute to 2 hours. We can set the timer. Okay, and so here I am going to set the timer to 3 minutes and tap on to 1 minute and tap on the option start. Now you can see it is started 58, 57, 56. Now you can see. Okay, now just wait for few seconds to complete this timer. Yeah, now you can see after 1 minute you will get the message notification from the timer. So simply in this way you can access the timer from the control center in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.